Morning, friends. It's Friday, 6 days post-comp. Still sitting here doing my cardio, doing more rehab, foam rolling, yoga, stretching. Haven't yet had a good soak, haven't had the time for it, but doing a Live Well event at Pine Ridge Hollow this weekend. Yoga, forest breathing, meditating, meeting like-minded people. Hopefully there's a great energy exchange there, positive vibes. And then Sunday I'll have a good soak. Lots of Epsom salts. Legs are heavy but good. Tan's blotchy. Not so good. But that's all. We're still plugging.